I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight, I can't kill this feeling sober. So I start to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care.
Welcome back. This has been so long overdue. Just so many variables got in the way of this, but I really wanted to see my father's new CNC router in action. So what did I do? I waited until that CNC router was free and I was able to cut this beauty. We now have the final shape. I've been dying to get this thing started. Now we can sand this puppy and we can finally get everything finalized, which should be right now the only one downside, the only one singular downside of this right now is when we're using the CNC router, we didn't drill the 4 holes, the 8 holes in total for the trucks. So right now I'm gonna be able to get the whole top of this sanded down. I'll be able to get it buffed. I'll be able to do the exact same to this side, but I do need a template in order for me to drill the holes for what is in there, the trucks. So once I get those holes drilled, then everything can get thrown together and everything can be finalized. But for now, let's get this thing sanded and polished and looking at 100. Let's do it.
It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me. I don't have time inside my reality. Wait for me. I don't have to remember me.
Alright, so I just got doing a real good sanding. So I went from 220, 600, 1500, 2500, and I stopped at 25. This is where we are left at. It is a nice shiny surface, as is here, and this is ready for a buffing. So I now have my Rupees Bigfoot out. And yes, this is a very destroyed pad that I pretty much just use for projects like this whenever I have something like this to do. And we're just going to start cutting. I'm using my aggressive cut compound. I probably could get away with a finer cut compound just because of how fine I went with the grit. But because I'm doing it on a DA and not a rotary, I would just rather be able to cut it right down and then hit it again with the finer cut after washing out the pad. So to me, that would actually just be easy. Do I need this anymore? It's chilly in here, but I definitely don't need this anymore. I'm done with the sanding. Oh, sanding. That is a lot of what these resin projects are, or at least the ones I'm doing because of their size. But let's start polishing.
I feel like that we're getting closer to a brand new night. The past is finally getting over. I really think it's time to say goodbye. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me.
It is finally completed. After all this time, so many layers of resin have been put on. This has been so long overdue, but the longboard that is forged carbon and carbon is complete. I wish you could feel this. Oh God, it feels like a freshly waxed car. The amount of buffing I have done to get this thing to shine is ridiculous. But it is time to drill out the holes and get the trucks on, and we are not waiting another second. Beauty. Beauty. And the bolt holes line perfectly up. Did that go on the inside or the outside? I think it's bolt holes on the inside. Bolt holes definitely go on the inside. It's gotta be, right? Oh, we're so close to being done. Now it is time for the beautiful wheels. Just wait till you see what I chose for the wheels. I don't know if I showed you or not. I don't know. But they are marvelous. Oh, they look so good. So, after all the years that I've skated, right, and we're talking like 7 years, I've skated for a while. Never once have I heard of this brand, nor did I go crazy on purchasing for this thing. I could have gone and done the best of the best for longboard wheels, but considering I'm not riding this thing every single day, it wasn't that big of a deal what wheels I ended up going with. I'm gonna do name on the inside. I'd rather it just be the blue. What are you telling me right now? Oh, okay. Okay, one done. Yeah, see, this is stimulus. I mean, never once did I ever hear of free dare wheels. But, I mean, wheels are wheels, and these are really soft wheels. So they will probably dent immediately. But the other side of that is this will not be getting ridden that much. This is more of a little showpiece for the car than it is for serving function, even though it will have function, and I probably will be doing a lot of rollers with this. I'll be using this to take some good videos of the car. Before I tighten this last one down, I want to get the size of this bolt so I can tighten it with a ratchet. Okay. Next side done. That is completed. That is absolutely completed. The blue to match the car. That's pretty close if you ask me. Gosh, I don't even want to put it down. This is so bad. I don't want it to hit the dirty floor. Oh, it is so tall, but it looks so good. Wow. Just imagine seeing that. Just imagine seeing that. And I know you guys are saying, all right, now stand on it. I'm wearing my work boots. I don't want to. I want to, but I... Here we go. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That feels so good. I don't want to do anything with it. This is incredible. I never thought this would be my experience. But wow. And the ooh! I almost slid off because of the fabric. But it feels so good. Now that I got my clean fabric dirty, this is now going to spend an incredible amount of time in the back of a car. Everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed, because I had so much fun building this with everything that I got, with the CNC router, with everything. Oh, the whole thing. Just, it came out so good. I hope you guys enjoyed my longboard build, the first forged carbon and carbon longboard. And there's going to be plenty more of builds like that, where that came from. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of the journey. I will see you guys in the next one.